morning, good morning, good morning. I am currently here at Barangay Bagakay. So I am having my morning walk. I did walk a little bit late than I should because the sun is already up. But I have my sunblock to protect me from the heat. So here is a big dam. DAM. So there is a big dam here in Barangay Bagakay. There's also the Sagpan over there. That is where the water is coming from. So there, as you can see, there's, ladies doing their laundry here. The water, there isn't a lot of water here. Maybe during, Burr months, that's when you really get to see the water rising up. But I was curious because they were saying that there's a big sinkhole here at elementary school. I haven't been there personally inside the school, but I will see later if it is so evident that the building is sinking. But they were saying that some of the grade school students, like from grade 4 to 6, is going to be transferred to DPWH building. DPWH building is Department of Public Work and Highway. So it's currently vacant right now. So it's a good place to transfer the students. But it's going to be challenging though, because it's going to be a lot of walk. Unless parents have their own transportation to send their kids to that building. Oh well. Ang ganda dito, diba? Ayan, oh wow. Okay. It is currently Tuesday right now. Yesterday, I went to Sorsogon because I had to have some stuff taken care of. I have to have Nathan's paperwork and all that kind of stuff. I also went to provincial hospital because I had to have my thyroid check. But it looks like it's getting smaller though. I'm supposed to go inside the OPD because I was meaning to ask them if they will let me get scheduled for for my thyroid and my goiter. But there's a long line, so I told myself maybe I'll go back next time, or get scheduled of our local hospital here instead. But the good news is I was able to find there is something I've seen online. It's like an ointment that you can actually apply to your neck, and there's a lot of good reviews about it. They said that it's effective, so I placed an order yesterday. I'm gonna check and see if it's working. If not, then let's do the proper procedure. So this is going to be finally out of my system. Woo! But oh my good Lord, Panginoon ko po. Ayan, tahimik dito ngayon, walang masyadong tao. Ayan, oh wow, tingnan nyo, oh, merong classic motorbike dito. Hindi ito anong tawag nun? Anong brand din yung Harley? Ayan, oh look. Oh, pang racing din siya. Ayan. Look. Harley Davidson, yun yung mga bike doon na uso sa America, United States of America, but we also have our own brand here. I think I don't know what the brand is, but yeah. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung palayan. Tumutubo na naman sila. Baka mga October or November mag-harvest na naman tayo nito. Ayan, oh.